Today I'm Fernando Manalo from ECE42, and today's experiment 3 for the robotics lab is the control of servo motor. The objective of this experiment is to enable the student to control the angular displacement of the servo motor and interface it with the control in Arduino. And the equipments needed for this computer is an Arduino and a servo motor. For the codes, here is the sweep, so that we can test if the servo is not working properly. And this code, the sweep, sends a displacement value to the servo motor and runs it. And as you can see, we use the servo.h library, and then servo is named my servo and attached to pin number 9. And using this for loop, it changes the degrees of the servo from 0 to 180 degrees with a 5 millisecond delay between each change. Using dash, my servo at right angle, and the angle is this, and then this one is simply reverse. Now for the other code, this is the servo angle. This uses the serial monitor with the same servo.h angle 0. This is the serial monitor using serial.begin, and then if a value is entered, and we can enter 0 to 180 degrees, the servo will write it, and then the displacement of the servo will change. To test if our code is working properly, first I will open the sweep file for the servo motor, wherein there is no interface first, and here's the code, and I will connect my Arduino to COM port 5. As you can see, it lit up, so it is connected. And here is my servo motor. I will upload the code. As you see, it's uploading, and now it's sweeping automatically from 0 to 180 degrees. So therefore, my code is working properly. Now for the next part, the other code, will go to angle or the displacement control using the interface or the serial monitor. Then I will upload this code, which and as you can see, the servo motor has stopped, and I will now open the serial monitor, and here is the output. Servo motor control, enter angle 0 to 180 degrees. First, it is currently at 0 degrees, and now I will go to 180. If I hit enter, now it is at 180 degrees, and let's say 180, so the half is 90 degrees. 90 degrees, and back to 0. Let's go to 150, 100, or let's say 20. And as you can see here, the codes are working properly, and the interface with the servo motor is working properly. And that is the end of today's experiment. And as you can see, we have successfully controlled the servo motor displacement, and first by sweeping it automatically and interfacing it with the microcontroller by sending the angle that will be the displacement of the servo motor. And that is the end of today's experiment, and thank you.